this is how you reset the oil life on a Toyota car, truck, or SUV with the digital screen. First things first, go ahead and turn on the key and then use your selector here. Now you're going to want to go over to settings right there. You're going to want to go down to vehicle settings, and then you're going to want to go to scheduled maintenance, and then you're using this here the whole time. Sorry I didn't show you that before. And then go up to yes, the data has been reset. And then to get back, just press back there. It's super easy. And if you don't have this style of car, if you just have the analog or whatever, all you have to do is put it on trip A and hold the reset there, turn the key off, keep holding the reset and turn the key on, and it'll say maintenance life resetting, either there or somewhere like that. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out in some way. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.